Hi, good evening, Professor. I am here to go over the functionality of this application, our storefront application, and also go through the UML and the flowchart. I do have my notes over here once again, so bear with me as I'm looking back and forth. Also, I reformatted how I'm doing the video so that hopefully I'll keep it under the time limit this time. I went a few minutes over last time, so my apologies for that. Your time is valuable. I totally get that. So, I'm Carrie Ann Harjo. This is Milestone2 of our storefront application. So let's walk through the functionality really quickly. I'm going to have to move myself over here. So let's just go ahead and run it. So again, our storefront application, this is our driver. So we're running from that to start with. So I'm a huge Dungeons & Dragons fan, so I went ahead and named this Bloodbath and Beyond just to have a little fun with it, because why not? Where you can prep for your next battle or bath. So we have included, as requested, the weapons and armor, and then I also added some fun things for Bloodbath and Beyond, some soap and stuff. So let's look at what we can purchase here. So push number 1, we want to purchase a product. We have our sword, our bow, the plate mail, the leather armor, and the health potion as requested, but also some bubble bath soap and perfume just to wash away all that stank, So the name of the thing we want to purchase, let's get some soap because it's the shortest. Nope, actually bow is. We'll get some of that too. How many do we want to get? We want to get 5 of them. So I added a little extra functionality where it tells you your total after you add things to your cart. Just because as someone who likes to shop online, that's something that I want to know. Let's see. We want to purchase some more items. So let's purchase a bow for 12. It's over the limit. I can't remember how many I actually put in each inventory. So let's find out. Let's get 12 of them. All right, we got 12. So let's enter the action number 1. And let's get an absurd amount of leather armor, because I'm trying to break it, right? Armor. Quantity. 50. Let me add 50. So, all right, let's go ahead and just check out. We have an absurd amount of items in here, a lot of items. So let's see if we can view the final inventory. What have we got in here? There is no leather armor left. We bought all of it. Let's see. It's a little. Is there any soap left? I don't see any soap left either. So let's see if we can find the cart contents. Okay. We have 50 pieces of leather armor, 5 soap, 12 bows. Eventually we're going to need to add some arrows, because how are you going to shoot a bow if you don't have any arrows? So we can view our cart contents. Yeah, okay. So we've purchased these products. Our total price was $3,492.45. Yeah, that's right, because it's giving you a running total as you go through. So we started with a bunch of soap. Let's see if we can cancel a purchase. We want to cancel leather armor. Way over budget, right? For the quantity, let's cancel 40 of them. We're just gonna get 10. Remove 0 leather armor. Ooh, that's not good. Pure cart. So since we have 50 leather armor, so clearly there's some bugs in this that we need to work through. I think I went ahead and I think this still covers the functionality that was requested in the rubric. Hopefully it is. I did work really hard on it. It is quite late. So let's see if we can try that again. Let's see if we can just cancel all of it. Doesn't remove any. So there's a bug for me, right? That will be fixed by next time. Can we exit? Yes, we can. Okay, so let's go ahead and get out of this. Functionality kind of works. The canceling doesn't work as well as I wanted it to. So that's something to work on for next time. Let's go ahead and switch to, I can't tell how long this video has been going. So let's go ahead and switch to the kind of walking through it a little bit. As you can see, we have our storefront application. Again, this is our driver. This is kind of what's going to call all of the rest of our classes and all of the rest of our scripts. So as we walk through here, we can see our menu right here of the things that we want to display from the get-go, our choices. I'm really hoping we're going to add a GUI to this. It would be really exciting. But for now, in our command line, here's what we have: purchase product, cancel product, view the final inventory, view the carts, and exit, which is 0. And I could have done that instead of causing a big old red splotch of code. We have our switch case here. Whoops. So our choices are switch case. Choice 1, do this. Choice 2, do this, which obviously choice 1 is to purchase a product. When you purchase a product, it's going to pull it out of the inventory. Choice 2, when you cancel product, it puts it back into the inventory. You can kind of see those in here. If you can hear the snoring, that's my dog. She's back there on my bed. I don't know if you can, the little brown spot. Sorry. So final inventory, okay, get is the inventory manager. So anytime that we purchase a product or cancel a product, it goes in and out of the inventory depending on which one we're doing. Get cart items. It should list out all the things that you have. I'm still kind of stuck on the canceling a product. I don't know why that's not updating properly. Yes, I do. And I'll fix it. Not tonight. So then we have our inventory manager. This is the one that updates our list of products that we can sell, to add or take away depending on what we're doing with it. It also, where was it? I guess that's it. Our saleable product. I don't know why these are all highlighted. How obnoxious. So saleable product is full of our getters and setters. This is the one that's going to really grab all of the information for the products and then kind of pushes it out into the rest of the things. We have our name, get and set name, get set description, get and set price, get and set quantity. Where did I go? There I am. Hi. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I'm still there somewhere. So here's the shopping cart. This is what holds. It's our container for all of the products that we that our user, the customer, is wanting to get. So we have our remove product. This is the one I need to update to fix the shopping cart error. We have our sellable products stored in an array. Our price that's being updated as we purchase things. And our storefront, this is where we're storing all of our products, which again, I would love to have some kind of database for this in the future. I would also like to be printing more of an official looking receipt, because right now it's just kind of crazy looking. But can't do it all overnight. So I need to do a little bit better on the out of stock products, because let's see, how many other armors did I actually put in there? I put in 60. Okay, so 50 was a reasonable amount, I guess. Maybe I need to lessen that, because who really, what store would actually have 100 pieces of plate mail? Oh, that's $100. There should be 5. So no, 50 was not a reasonable amount. And the code took it anyway, so there's another thing to fix. But again, that's the functionality. Let's really quickly go through the diagrams here, because we can do flowchart first. Excuse me. All right, we'll do the UML. So here's our saleable product with all of our methods and attributes. Shopping cart, all of the methods and attributes, inventory manager, and storefront. So for our saleable product, this one kind of goes everywhere, but really the saleable product has to go into the shopping cart so that our customer can see what they've purchased. It also has to go into the storefront so that you can see what's for sale. And again, these two are going to update I guess just the storefront updates the inventory manager. I thought the shopping cart did too, but that shows how much I know. Oh, too many codes, so little time. Okay, so then our saleable product goes into the storefront. And this is what calls our inventory manager. So the storefront handles all the inventory manager and a lot of the shopping cart. So there's that. And then let's quickly go through the flowchart because I believe I'm running out of time. It's not going to tell me. So for the flowchart, we're going to start here. You can first choose to purchase a product, and then you choose the product. After you choose the product, do we have it in the inventory? If the answer is no, then we need to notify the customer that it's out of stock. And then we go back to choosing a product, right? So inventory has the product, yes. We want to enter the quantity. As long as it's greater than 0, we can continue on. If it's not greater than 0, go back and choose a different product. Why would you say yes, you want this product and then choose 0? Clearly you're canceling it. So we're going to go back to choosing a product. If the quantity is greater than 0, then we're going to continue on to remove that item from the inventory, but add it to the shopping cart. And if the total price is greater than 0, we're going to add that to our receipt or our running total. If it's not greater than 0, which I guess I forgot to add this one, we're going to go all the way back to choosing a product because we're going to move on to the next item. So when we check out, if the price is greater than 0, yes, or we want to check out, yes, we're going to give a receipt and a not byte. Clearly my brain is into computers right now. We're going to do a goodbye message and then stop. If we want to check out no, you can cancel the sale, remove products from cart, and then we have to return the items to the inventory because they didn't actually purchase them. Again, though, if the answer is no, we need to also be able to go back to choose another product because they want to buy more items. So right now this looks like a flowchart for one item. It needs to be updated to house 2 or more, as many as they want. So really quickly, that was my storefront application. Hopefully I covered everything and have completed the rubric as needed. So thank you for your time. I hope you have a great evening.